Hello, welcome back to day 235 with some Prismatic evolution. I hope everyone got their share of this distant rival ETB that was released. What was it, Friday? We got ourselves a few. Well, got two, which is awesome. Well, we got it from PopStop as well as our pre-order from EB Games. We also end up snatching up one from Toy World when they had it. Can't get anything. Monkey Dory, unlucky. We'll be cracking one ETB soon. We'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.